What's up? This is DSIV AI News for Wednesday, July 15th. Today's Research Lab signal is very visual. One project is pushing diffusion video editing closer to real time. Another uses video diffusion to understand hand motion for robotics. Meituan's LongCat 2 puts a huge open model on alternative AI hardware. A new Codex paper shows agentic AI moving into actual workflows. And MuSViT gives sheet music its own foundation vision model. Let's move through the headlines and keep the claims source-led. First up, LiveEdit. The official ECCV project page describes a streaming video editing system that works frame by frame, keeps non-edited regions stable, and uses a 3-stage distillation pipeline. The number to watch is 12.66 frames per second. That is not full broadcast frame rate yet, so I would say closer to real time, not solved. But for creators, AR tools, and live editing workflows, this is the right direction. Less waiting, more control, and fewer weird changes outside the edited area. Next is ViDiHand, and this one matters for robotics. The project uses features from a pre-trained video diffusion model to reconstruct 4-dimensional two-hand pose from full video frames. The page emphasizes occlusion robustness, accuracy, and temporal smoothness across Arctic, Hot 3D, and HOI 4D benchmarks. The viewer takeaway is simple. If AI can understand hands from ordinary video more reliably, robotics teams get a better path to learning from real human demonstrations without needing every example to come from expensive sensors. Third, Meituan's LongCat 2 is a major non-US model story. The model card says it is a mixture of experts' language model with 1.6 trillion total parameters, about 48 billion active per token, trained across more than 35 trillion tokens, and built on AI ASIC superpods. The important part is not a simple leaderboard claim. The official page says many benchmark numbers are in-house, so we should treat comparisons carefully. The stronger signal is that frontier-scale model work is spreading across different hardware stacks and agentic workflows. Fourth, Codex. A new archive paper called The Shift to Agentic AI looks at Codex usage data and frames the move from chat to agents. It reports active users grew more than 5-fold in the first half of 2026. It also says more than 10% of users manage 3 or more concurrent Codex agents in a week, and 26.6% use skills. That does not automatically prove every company gets more productive. But it does show the behavior shift. People are starting to hand off longer, more structured work to agents. And the research spotlight is MuSViT from the University of Alicante. The official project page describes it as the first foundation vision model for sheet music representation, pre-trained on 9.7 million IMSLP pages. The reason this is cool is that music notation is visual, symbolic, and structured. General vision models can miss that structure. MuSViT is a reminder that the AI wave is not only giant chatbots. Some of the most useful models will be specialized systems built for one difficult domain. That is today's daily signal. My read is that AI research is becoming more practical and more specialized at the same time. Video tools are chasing interaction speed. Robotics needs better training data. Open models are scaling outside the US agentic work is becoming measurable. And music AI is getting serious domain-specific infrastructure. Which one feels biggest to you? Video, robot hands, open models, agents, or music intelligence? Drop your read. For more DSIV AI news and creative technology, go to dsivmusic.com.